purchased these on the Flip store and we're gonna try them out. The instructions said that your teeth should be super white with the 5 treatments. It comes with 5 sets, which is 10 strips. So we're gonna go ahead and try that. I'm gonna use it in all my teeth, but just know that these here are fake. So these are not gonna suffer any change. I'm a coffee drinker, and the only thing that I done is in the past is go to the dentist, clean my teeth, and use some whitening that they done. I never done anything like this. So the strips come like this, individually wrapped. And then you just go ahead and open them. And then you get your strip. I already have one ready, but you take the plastic part. So you just basically go here. Put them above your gums. And here's the second one. It feels minty. So it doesn't have a you need to put it below, a little bit below the gums, so it covers the whole, all the teeth. So here we are, and see you in 30 minutes. The instructions said that to rinse your mouth with warm water, and that's what I did. And this is the results. This is day number 1, and I can already see the difference. Here are for the following days. As you can see in the pictures, the difference in the whitening of my teeth. And remember, I said this is the first time I do it in my whole life. And I think the results are super nice. I'm really excited about the results. And I'm going to wait a little bit, a few days or weeks, and then I'm going to buy it again. But this is the one that I tried. And make sure you click on the link and get yours. Have a blessed day.